Good morning, students. Today we will solve the problem of redemption of debentures in installments by drawings of lots. Means sometimes all the debentures will not be repaid at once. These debentures will be redeemable each year, and they may be selected by the lottery methods. These debentures are redeemable at par or at premium according to the terms of issue. This procedure is known as drawing by lots. लॉट्स म्हणजे इन्स्टॉलमेंट्समध्ये थोडे डिबेंचर्स आधी मग नंतर असे डिबेंचर्स रिपेड केले जातात आणि द सिरियल नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स विच शुड बी रिडीम्ड ईच इयर आर सिलेक्टेड बाय द लॉटरी इन दिस मेथड. ओके, this procedure is known as drawing by lots. In this method, transfer of the amount equal to 25% of the debentures issued to the debenture redemption reserve before redemption is necessary. Okay, म्हणजे amount equal to 25% of the debentures will be transferred to DRR in this type also. It is compulsory, and proportionate amount of DRR will be transferred to general reserve in case of redemption in installments. So first we will solve this entry. See this problem. See the problem so that you can understand the meaning of redemption by draw of redemption. Redemption of debentures which are issued in lots and redeemable at draw of lots. Akanksha Enterprises Limited issued 12,000 6% debentures of rupees 100 each on September 1st, 2009, redeemable at a premium of 7% as under. So this company issued 12,000 debentures on 1st September, and these debentures were issued at rupees 100, but they are redeemable at a premium of 7%. On 31st March 2015, they are redeemable 4,000 debentures. On 31st March 2016, redeemable debentures were 3,000, and on 31st March 17, redeemable debentures were 5,000. म्हणजे 31 मार्च 15ला 4,000 डिबेंचर्स रिडीम होणार आहेत, 31 मार्च 16ला 3,000 डिबेंचर्स रिडीम होणार आहेत म्हणजे रिपेड होणार आहेत, अँड ऑन 31st March 17 5,000 debentures. The board of directors has also decided to transfer the required amount to debenture redemption reserve in 4 equal annual installments starting with March 31st, 2011. From 31st March 2011, the board of directors decided to transfer the required amount to DRR in 4 equal annual installments. Okay, now record necessary journal entries of issue and redemption. Obviously they told us to ignore the entries for interest. Investment as required by law was made in fixed deposit of the bank. So let's start and pass the journal entries in this problem. For every redemption installment we have to pass all the entries of redemption. So this is the lengthy problem and we have to pass many entries. Let's start. Let's pass journal entries here. Akanksha Enterprises, journal entries. They told us that the company issued 12,006% debentures of rupees 100 each on 1st September 2009. So on 1st September 2009 we have to pass the journal entry of application money received. So entry will be bank account debit to 6% debentures, application and allotment account. Narration: application money received, application money received on 12,000 6% debentures at rupees 100 each. So the amount will be 12 lakhs. That is 12,000 debentures into rupees 100. These debentures were issued at par and repayable at premium. Okay, redeemable at 7% premium. Now these debentures are redeemable at 7% premium. So that premium will be lost to the company. So this premium repayable at the time of redemption will be debited to loss on issue of debentures account. So let's pass the journal entry of application money transfer, that is issue of debentures issued at par redeemable at 7% premium. Okay, so second entry will be 6% debenture application and allotment account debit, ₹12 lakhs. Loss on issue of debentures account, debit. Here there will be 7% premium, 7% of 12 lakhs. So it will be 84,000. To 6% debentures account, 12 lakhs. To premium on redemption of debentures account, 84,000. This amount is of premium repayable at the time of redemption, which is lost to the company, which will be lost to the company. So it is debited to loss on issue of debentures account. Okay, so application money transferred, these two entries are of, that is on the date of issue of debentures. Okay, now they told us that the debentures are redeemable in 3 installments on 31st March 15, 31st March 16 and 31st March 17, and the board of directors transferred the required amount to DRR in 4 equal installments starting with March 31st 2011. So now on 31st March 2011 they will transfer the required amount to DRR. See, the debentures nominal value is 12 lakhs and 25% of 12 lakhs is 3 lakhs. This 3 lakhs amount, that is rupees 3 lakhs amount, is required to be transferred to debenture redemption reserve in total. And they told us that this amount is transferred to DRR in 4 equal installments. So 3 lakhs divided by 4 is equal to 75,000. So 75,000 will be transferred to DRR 4 times from 31st March 2011. Understood? 31 मार्च 2011 पासून 4 इन्स्टॉलमेंट्समध्ये टोटल अमाऊंट 3 lakhs ट्रान्सफर केली जाईल. सो 75,000 4 वेळा ट्रान्सफर केली की 3 lakhs ट्रान्सफर होतील DRRला 31st March 2011 पासून. अंडरस्टूड? सो फर्स्ट एंट्री ऑन 31st March 11 विल बी स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस. debit 75,000 first installment of DRR to debenture redemption reserve account 75,000 transferred profit to DRR. This is the narration. Total amount transferable is 3 lakhs. It will be transferred in four installments of 75,000 each. Okay. Now this is first installment on 31st March 2012. Now 2012 March 31st. Again second installment will be transferred. So again 75,000 we have to transfer, total 3 lakhs rupees, that is 25% of 12 lakhs. Now on 31st March 2013 and 31st March 2014 we have to repeat these entries. March 2013 again and last installment of DRR, that is last amount transferred to DRR on 2014 March 31st. Again the same entry, statement of profit and loss debit to DRR account 75,000. See, in this problem the redemption is due, first redemption is due on 31st March 2015. So before that, from 2011 they have transferred a fixed amount of 75,000 4 times, that is total amount 3 lakhs is transferred to DRR in 4 equal annual installments, that is 75,000 each. So 75 on 31st March 2011, 75,000 on 31st March 2012, 75,000 on 31st March 13, and on 31st March 2014 75,000. In this way, before the redemption starts, they have transferred total 3 lakhs rupees, that is 25% of 12 lakhs rupees, to the debenture redemption reserve account. Understood? Now first redemption is due on 31st March 2015. So on 30th April 2014 बघा पहिलं रिडम्शन 31 मार्च 2015 ला ड्यू आहे. 31 मार्च 2015 ला संपणारं वर्ष 1 एप्रिल 2014 ला चालू होतं. अँड आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग दॅट इयर ऑन ऑर बिफोर 30th एप्रिल दे विल इन्व्हेस्ट 15% amount in government securities. Okay, so April 30th April 2014 they will purchase the investment, that is they will invest 15% amount into some investment. So debenture redemption investment account debit to bank account. Now see, the investment should be made of 15% amount. The redeemable debentures nominal value is 4 lakhs, that is 4,000 debentures are redeemable on 31st March 2015 as first lot. 4,000 debentures into the face value 100, amount will be 4 lakhs. So amount equal to 15% of rupees 4 lakhs will be transferred to investment, means will be invested. Okay, so investment made to amount equal to 15% of nominal value of redeemable debentures. Redeemable debentures are worth rupees 4 lakhs. So इथे मी लिहिते 4 lakhs into 15%. This is for your information only. Okay, so 15% of 4 lakhs will be 60,000. So in amount invested will be rupees 60,000. On 30th April. Okay, these entries are before the redemption, and now on the date of first redemption, that is on 31st March 2015. March 31st 2015, they will redeem first lot of debentures, that is 4,000 debentures. So for that, first they will sell the investment, that is encashment of investment. So bank account debit, debenture redemption investment account, 60,000, and the narration will be investment encashed. After encashment of investment on 31st March 2015, the entry of amount due on redemption. So the entry will be 6% debentures account debit 4 lakhs. These debentures are redeemable at 7% premium. So premium on account debit 7% of 4 lakhs, that is rupees 28,000, to debenture holders account 4 lakhs 28,000. Amount due to debenture holders. Okay, now the entry of transferring the proportionate amount from DRR to general reserve. So the entry will be on 31st March 2015. The entry will be DRR account debit to general reserve account. Okay, proportionate amount transferred to general reserve. Now proportionate means how much? We have to prepare one working note for that. Working note. See, the total DRR is rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, and in this problem there is redemption of debentures in draw of lots. First redemption will be on 31st March 2015, second will be on 31st March 2016, and third will be on 31st March 2017. Okay, so at the time of each redemption, we have to transfer the proportionate DRR to general reserve, which is to be calculated as follows. Okay, so DRR to be transferred to general reserve. Calculation of DRR to be transferred to general reserve. First, on 31st March 2015, DRR amount is 3 lakhs. Okay, into the debentures redeemable 4 lakhs out of total debentures 12 lakhs. Okay, so answer is 1 lakh. Rupees 1 lakh will be transferred to general reserve on 31st March 2015 after the redemption. Okay, now on 31st March 2016, again 3 lakhs into amount of debentures redeemable. 3000 debentures are redeemable, so amount will be 3 lakhs out of 12 lakhs is equal to, again the amount will be rupees 75,000. 75,000 rupees will be transferred to general reserve on 31st March 2016, and now on 31st March 2017 the remaining amount, that is obviously 1,25,000, we can calculate by using the formula also. 3 lakhs into the debentures redeemable were rupees 5,000. 5,000 into 100, that is 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs divided by 12 lakhs. Okay, so the amount will be 1,25,000 rupees. Total amount 3 lakhs will be transferred to general reserve at the end. Understood? So now on 31st March, in this problem 31st March 2015, we will transfer 1 lakh rupees to general reserve. 1 lakh. Okay, in this way we have completed first lot of redemption, that is 4,000 debentures were redeemed on 31st March 2015. Now the next entry, next redemption is due on 31st March 2016 of 3,000 debentures. So before that, on April 30, the year ending 31st March 2016, so the year starts on 1st April 2015, and on 30th April they will invest the required amount in debenture redemption investment. So on we'll take this paper. On 2015 एप्रिल 30, ज्याप्रमाणे मगाशी रिडीमेबल डिबेंचर्सची अमाऊंट 4 lakhs होती, त्याच्या 15% इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केली होती, तशीच 30th एप्रिलला नाव द रिडीमेबल अमाऊंट इज 3,000 डिबेंचर्स इंटू ₹100, दॅट इज 3 lakhs. वी हॅव टू invest 15% amount of 3 lakhs into investment. Okay, so debenture redemption investment account, debit to bank account, redeemable debentures 3 lakhs, 15% of 3 lakhs is 45,000. इतने में लीजिए 3 lakhs into 15%. Okay, so it is 45,000 amount invested into investment made into government securities on 30th April. Now actual redemption is on 31st March 2016. So on 31st March 2016, first we have to sell the investment. Okay, so 2016 March 31st, entry will be bank account debit 45,000 to debenture redemption investment account 45,000 investment in cash. This will be the narration. See, this entry is similar to this entry, investment made on 30th April and on the date of redemption investment encashed. Similarly, we have to pass this entry on 31st March 2016 for redemption of 3000 debentures. Okay, then on 31st March 2016 they have encashed the investment. Now the entry of redemption amount due, so the entry will be on the same date. 6% debentures account debit, amount redeemable is 3 lakhs, that is nominal value. Okay, now premium, these debentures are redeemable at 7% premium, so premium on redemption of debentures account debit 7% of 3 lakhs, so it will be 21,000. Okay, to debenture holders account 3,21,000 amount is payable to debenture holders. Okay, so amount payable or due to debenture holders. This will be the narration. Now actual entry of actual payment, amount paid to debenture holders on that date. So debenture holders account debit 3,21,000 to bank account 3,21,000. Payment made to debenture holders. Okay, and now the proportionate amount will be transferred to general reserve as per our working. On 31st March 2016 we will transfer 75,000 to general reserve. So debenture redemption reserve account debit okay, this will be the entry. On 31st March 2016 they have to pass these entries. Now next and last redemption. Last redemption is due on 31st March 2017. So before that, that is on 30th April 2016, they have to purchase investment. Okay, so 2016 again on 30th April, DRI account debit to bank account Now entries of last redemption. Now the redeemable amount is rupees 5 lakhs, that is on 31st March 2017 5,000 debentures are redeemable. So redeemable amount is 5 lakhs and 15% of 5 lakhs, that is 75,000 will be transferred, means investment will be purchased worth rupees 75,000. Now on 31st March 2017, that is on the date of redemption, March 31st 2017, first they have to encash the investment. So bank account debit 75,000 to debenture redemption investment account 75,000. Okay, investment encashed, and after passing the journal entry for encashment of investment, we have to pass now the amount due on redemption, entry of amount due on redemption. So on 31st March 2017, 6% debentures account, 6% debentures account debit 5 lakhs, that is the original amount. These debentures are repayable at 7% premium. So premium on redemption of debentures account debit 7% of 5 lakhs, so it will be 35,000. So total payment, total amount payable to debenture holders is 5,35,000. Amount due to debenture holders. Okay, now actual payment on the same date, entry of actual payment, that is debenture holders account debit to bank account. $5,35,000 were paid to the remaining debenture holders. So the narration will be payment made. Or amount paid to debenture holders 5,35,000, and on the same date, that is on 31st March 2017, debenture redemption reserve remaining amount as per our calculation in working note 1,25,000 will be transferred to general reserve account. So DRR proportionate amount transferred to general reserve. So this is the last entry. सो ज्यावेळेला ड्रॉ ऑफ लॉट्सनी रिडम्शन केलेलं असतं त्यावेळेला एंट्रीज डिफिकल्ट नाही आहेत, जरा जास्त लेंदी आहेत फक्त प्रॉब्लेम, कारण प्रत्येक रिडम्शनच्या वेळेला सगळ्या एंट्रीज ज्या आपल्या ठरलेल्या आहेत त्या पुन्हा पुन्हा कराव्या लागतात आपल्याला. ओके, दॅट्स ऑल.